My name is Dexter. I'm a stylist and I'm a thrifter. Well, being a stylist basically is helping different clients with maybe a new look, or if they're going to a certain event, basically purchasing a look for them, or if the client is purchasing a look on their own. I also do wardrobe styling for different photo shoots for different clothing lines. I come here because they have a really large selection, and every time I come here I always find something new. I always find really good pieces to add to my styling closet or add to my own personal closet. My routine when I come into the store is I always start in the very front and I work my way through every single aisle. I work my way through every single aisle, and I start and I look on the left first, and then I turn around again, and then I look on the right to make sure that I don't miss anything. One thing specifically about this place that intrigues me is that it's always clean, it's always organized, so I really feel like I'm shopping at just a regular department store.